Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Jet. If you want to find legit online jobs, make money with your typing skills, learn to type faster so you can earn more, and see the many different typing jobs you can do, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you 15 typing jobs that you can do anywhere. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post one of these educational videos. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. So what is a typing job? A typing job is any job that pays you to type. Typing may be the main skill required to do the job or a crucial part of it. How much can I earn from a typing job? You can earn anything from $1 per hour to maybe $95,000 per year. It very much depends on what kind of typing work you're doing. For jobs that don't require any experience or a degree or certification, the pay will be significantly lower than specialized typing work. Typing jobs can net you anything from as low as a few cents to micro tasks to as high as $95,000 per year for editing. And what kind of typing jobs you can do from home? Data entry jobs. This is probably the easiest kind of job you can do from home. Data entry jobs from home may require you to add information to a spreadsheet, enter data into a company's computer system, verify and correct data, do some basic research or other micro tasks such as typing up receipts. The median hourly wage for data entry work is around $16 according to US government statistics. Though the pay depends the company you're working for, working online as self-employed data entry specialist usually comes with a lower rate. $12 to $15 per hour is a decent rate for doing this kind of online work. Do good work and you could land further opportunities with clients. Data entry skills can transfer to many other typing jobs that could enable you to raise your rates. Where can I find the online data entry jobs? The three best sites for this are Flex Jobs, Virtual Vacations, and Upwork. Virtual Assistant. Being a virtual assistant can involve tasks like data entry, writing up blog posts, administrative work, social media management. As a VA, it is your job to help your client with tasks they'd rather not do themselves. The sheer variety of tasks is often what is most inviting about this type of work from home job. If you can offer various other services like combining social media management with good customer service or understand newsletter optimization, then you can expect to earn more. The average virtual assistant earns $19 per hour according to ZipRecruiter. Virtual assistants can, however, earn much more if they have their own freelance business and do not go through third-party companies for their gigs. A home computer with high-speed internet access is the default requirement for a position like this. Where can I find virtual assistant jobs? Belay, Boldly, Delegate Solutions, Equivity, Fancy Hands, Flex Jobs, Freelancer, MyBTLR, Time Etc., Upwork, Vava Virtual Assistants, Viki Virtual, Virtual Vacations, and Zirtual. Next is online chat jobs. This can be the perfect typing job for customer-focused people looking for work from home. Live chat agents help answer customers' questions through online text chat. This type of work can be full-time or part-time, and chat agents earn $15 an hour on average. This online job requires knowledge of the company you're working for, as you'll be responsible for answering questions about them. While some companies want you to have technical expertise to do this kind of work, many just want general agents with quick and accurate typing skills. Therefore, this may be the ideal entry-level job for you. So where can I find online chat jobs? There's Flex Jobs, Indeed, Misfits Market, Mod Squad, Live Chat, Remote.co, Simply Hired, Site Staff, Smith.ai, The Chat Shop, Upwork, and Virtual Vacations. Next is Community Moderator. Think of companies that have their own Facebook groups, subreddits, private message boards, big audiences on social media. Many of those companies need moderators to help run those communities. A home-based moderator ensures that the rules are being followed within the community. They are also there to act as a support for any questions and queries that may arise from users. The national average for this type of work at home job is $19 an hour, according to ZipRecruiter. Apart from basic computer know-how, moderators must also be patient and good at mediating when something goes wrong. So where can you find community moderator jobs? There's Cloud Workers, Flex Jobs, Indeed, The Social Element, Upwork, and Yelp. Next is Freelance Writer. Freelance writers create content for all types of businesses. It is one of the higher paying typing jobs. Types of projects you might tackle as a freelance writer include news pieces, sales pages, video scripts, research documents, email newsletters, and despite being offline, traditional newspapers may also hire freelance writers for the online editions of their paper. Freelance writers can make anywhere from a few hundred to thousands of dollars a month depending on their clients and experience. On average, freelance writers make around $30 an hour. Due to the freelance nature of this type of work and the ability to take on multiple projects while working from home, it is seen as a solid way to earn an extra income. So where can you find online writing jobs? There's Contena, content writing jobs, Copify, Flex Jobs, Freelancer, Indeed, ProBlogger, Remote.co, Remotive, Simply Hired, Upwork, Virtual Vacations, WorkU, Writology. Next is blog writer. As a blog writer, you research, write, and edit blog posts for a company's online website or for specific clients like an author or coach. You can do all of this work at home, and many bloggers have been home-based for their entire careers. How much a blogger makes depends on many factors, such as the companies they are working for, the qualities of their work, the speed at which they can turn around freelance jobs, and bloggers earn an average of $36 an hour according to ZipRecruiter. If you have other skills such as SEO or search engine optimization and social media expertise, you are more likely to earn even more from this kind of typing job. It is recommended that you have your own blog to showcase your work and writing skills to future clients. And where can you find blogging jobs? There's Contena, content writing jobs, Flex Jobs, Freelancer, Indeed, ProBlogger, Upwork, and Virtual Vacations. Next is transcription. Transcribers listen to audio recordings and type what they hear. Podcast transcripts are a prime example of the type of work transcribers produce. For this job, you need a solid internet access and great hearing. A good typist with a high typing speed and low error rate will stand out. For transcription jobs, the average pay is $28 an hour. However, most transcription jobs pay per audio hour completed. This means that you are paid for each hour of audio that you transcribe, not by the hours that you work. The industry standard is that it takes 4 hours of transcription time for 1 hour of clear audio. You can increase your rate of pay by being a quick and efficient transcriptionist. A foot pedal is recommended to speed up the process. And there are 4 types of professional transcriptionists. General transcriptionists may cover tasks like typing out simple voicemails, phone calls, or memos, and this home job is suitable for those who are just starting out as a way to gain experience in a variety of topics. There are the medical transcriptionists, and they transcribe a medical transcriptionist dictations for their records. This job usually requires AHDI accredited training or an associate's degree program, as you must understand medical terms. Another is a financial transcriptionist. They transcribe audio to form things like meeting notes, press conference summaries, interim results, and analyst reports. Another is legal transcription, which requires some training or experience. Transcribers cover court proceedings, depositions, dictated notes from lawyers, and other sources of legal record. Where can you find online transcription jobs? There's 3Play Media, Accutran Global, Allegis Transcription, Appen, Flex Jobs, GMR Transcription, GoTranscript, QuickTate, Revs, Scribie, Simply Hired, Transcription Hub, TranscribeMe, Upwork. Next is captioning. Captioners listen to audio files and write out text that will be used to create captions for people who are hard of hearing or who prefer to watch a video with the sound off. This includes the notation of background noises, example, laughing or a car honking. Due to it being a more specialized form of transcription, you can make more money by being a captioner. And there are 2 types of professional captioner. Offline closed captioning. It involves listening to a pre-recorded video file, and this can be anything from a recorded lecture to a movie or TV program. Real-time captioner, this kind of captioner does type interpretation for the deaf community, so you'd be typing in real time during a live event. The job requires accurate and fast typing speeds, as well as specialized stenography equipment. So who hires remote captioners? There's Aberdeen, Accutran Global, Captioning Star, Caption Max, National Captioning Institute, Rev, and Vitac. Translation. Being a translator requires you to speak 2 or more languages, as your job will be to translate content between them. A certification is also required if a job is in the scientific or legal field. The content you translate might include school records, blog posts, marriage certificates, legal documents, financial reports, and translation jobs can earn an average of $24 an hour. However, this may depend on the scale of the project and your own expertise in the industry. As a translator, you must have the ability to take a concept or a nuance in one language and translate it accurately into the new language. Having impeccable comprehension and writing skills is a must. And 3 types of professional translators. There's literary translator, and they focuses the translation of pieces of literary works such as poems, essays, or books. Due to the nature of this intense work and need for deep focus, it is often done from home. Technical translators work on legal, scientific, or technological texts, such as user guides. Certification from organizations like the American Translators Association are often necessary. Advertising translation. It involves translating a marketing message, usually from one country to another. Therefore, it is not enough to know the language, but usually the cultural context as well. Where can I find remote translation jobs? There's Appen, Cactus Communications, FlexJobs, Freelancer, GMR Transcription, Indeed, Keyword Studio, SmartLink, Steeps, Upwork, Relocalized, Virtual Locations. Next would be editor. As an editor, it would be your job to look over the content of your clients and improve the flow and readability. You'd be working on such contents as blog posts, news articles, recipes, even a whole book. Editors make content easier to read. If the piece is not cohesive, they may have to rewrite whole sections to improve the structure of the narrative. Many editors prefer to work from home without distraction. As this job requires top writing and grammar skills, the average pay for editors is $25 an hour and tops out at $95,000 a year. Editors often have strict deadlines and therefore must have quick and accurate typing skills. And where can you find a job as an editor? There's Cactus Communications, Cambridge Proofreading and Editing, Contena, Content Writing Jobs, FlexJobs, Jobs for Editors, Remote.co, Scribendi, Upwork, and Writology. Next would be Copywriter. A copywriter creates content that gets the reader to take action. That action might be to buy a product or sign up for an account. Copywriters are often hired to create or improve ad copy, sales pages, email sequences, landing pages, and copywriters earn an average of $28 an hour according to ZipRecruiter. If you have SEO skills or advertising experience, you are more likely to earn even more from this kind of work. And where can you find remote work as a copywriter? There's content writing jobs, FlexJobs, Freelancer, Indeed, People Per Hour, ProBlogger, Simply Hired, Upwork, Virtual Vacations, and We Work Remotely. Next would be Proofreader. And what's the difference between a proofreader and an editor? A proofreader looks over surface errors such as grammar, spelling, and punctuation. An editor seeks to improve the overall quality of writing by enhancing flow and readability. Proofreaders may have to look over dissertations, reports, and academic papers, or receive documents from those who need help with their resume. Online proofreaders earn around $26 an hour, and though you can earn more or less depending on how much experience you have. If you are looking for online proofreading jobs, you may need a degree in the relevant field. Where can I find remote work as a proofreader? There's Cambridge Proofreading and Editing, FlexJobs, Freelancer, Indeed, Proofreading Pal, proofreadingservices.com, Scribendi, Upwork, Virtual Vacations. Next would be ghostwriting. As a ghostwriter, you're not credited on any of the writing that you produce. You create the content, but it is published under someone else's name, usually your client. You'll be writing such things as books or ebooks, speeches, articles for companies, and blog posts. This can be quite a lucrative remote job to compensate for you not receiving public recognition for your work. If you have significant experience and your client is well known, you can expect to earn much more. Ghostwriters must have proof that they can ghostwrite, which is hard when they don't have attribution to their content. It is recommended that they have a website with other samples of writing work. Where can I find remote work as a ghostwriter? There's FlexJobs, Freelancer, Guru, People Per Hour, Upwork, and Virtual Vacations. Next would be Scopists. A Scopist types out the final transcripts of trials, depositions, and other proceedings which were typed onto a steno machine by a court reporter. Your job as a Scopist is to fill in missing words, correct any misspellings, and add proper punctuation to the document. Therefore, a command of the language you're typing is essential. For this kind of remote work, you do need some experience as a court reporter. While there is not a degree needed for this position, having some form of training will help with securing a job. As you may have to deal with difficult and disturbing cases, this may not be the career for you. If you are especially empathetic or sensitive, you can work from home, but you do need solid internet access and specialist software such as Catalyst. Where can I find work as a Scopist? There's Scopists.com or by connecting with court reporters directly. Next would be brand name suggestions. This is where you make up brand names and hope that they are chosen by new companies. If one of your names is chosen, you get paid. Winners from these kinds of contests can make hundreds of dollars depending on the company. It is encouraged to submit suggestions to multiple contests to increase your chances of winning. And where can you suggest brand names? There's Naming Force, Slogan Slingers, and Squad Help. And how can I learn to type faster? Some jobs, such as transcription or data entry, may require you to have a certain typing speed before they hire you. A good typing speed of between 50 to 80 words per minute will help you stand out. To increase your chances of getting typist work from clients, it is worth training your fingers to increase your typing speed. Some tips for doing that is taking typing lessons. Free lessons from KeyBR can help you learn exactly where the buttons are positioned on a keyboard so you don't have to look down while you're typing. This is called touch typing, and you really should learn it if you are serious about earning money by typing. You can also practice with KeyBR every day to increase your WPM rate. You could also get the classic typing program Mavis Beacon Teaches Typing. Next, you can also challenge yourself every day. Try to type more words every day. If you begin by typing 50 words, try to increase it to 100 the next day or 150 the following day and so forth. You can also take typing tests. You can take regular typing tests on websites such as Key Hero to improve your WPM. As you try to beat your score, you will naturally learn to type faster. Or you can also play video games. There are many computer games that have been specifically created to improve your typing ability. The more popular ones include Typing.com typing games, Secret of QWERTY, Epistory Typing Chronicles. And what personal skills do I need to be a typist? One is having good hearing and the ability to type fast. For jobs focused on creative writing or editing, outstanding grammar, spelling, and punctuation skills are much sought after. However, there is no additional investment or qualification needed. And what equipment do I need? You cannot do any online typing job without a computer and a keyboard. Sorry, your smartphone or an iPad isn't good enough. For some work-at-home jobs like audio transcription, a foot pedal will greatly increase your working speed, as well as quality headphones. FYI, a foot pedal lets you pause, rewind, and fast-forward audio recordings with your feet. This keeps your hands focused on typing so you can transcribe faster. Also, a high-speed internet is a must, and you may want to invest in specialized software such as StenoCat for Scopists. Remember, investing in tools that speed up your workflow will leave you better off financially in the long run. And there you have it. If you're a good typist, skilled at writing, or have good hearing, then it's worth considering these types of typing jobs. Even if you're a slow typist now, there are many free resources you can practice with to improve your WPM speed. With perseverance, it can be an enjoyable and worthwhile way to make a living. Hope you've learned something from today's video, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, like and share this on social media. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye!